How to get Verizon Disney Plus Bundle. In this video, I will show you how can you easily get the Disney Plus bundle with Verizon. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Google application in your device. In the search box, now you simply need to type Disney Verizon bundle. Then after click on enter and then open the first website of Verizon at the results. Once you open the website of Verizon, there you will see the home page where you can see a lot of options. When you scroll below, you can see Disney Plus option, but it is not available to purchase individually. So to get it in a bundle, what you need to do is simply click on Get It Now at the top right corner. Once you do, it will show you the option whether you are a new customer or an existing customer. As I'm a new customer in Verizon, I chose the option of it. Now, here are a lot of plans. Simply choose the one which is suitable for you, and once you've purchased a plan of Verizon, there you will see the option of Disney and other applications which you can purchase in bundle. So that's it. That is how easily you can purchase Verizon with Disney Plus bundle. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.